Good afternoon. We are Team 4A, presenting our solution for Challenge 4, Heart of Data. Our team consists of myself, Zoe Parker, Alex, Sarah, Tej, and Graceful. Projects rarely fail because spreadsheets are wrong. They fail because people are struggling and no one sees it early enough. Our aim was to use real-time, human-centered behavior and emotional data to predict team performance, improve delivery outcomes, and identify likely winning teams. That's why we created the lived system, to make people's feelings visible and actionable. Traditional reporting focuses on budget, time, scope, and risks, but it ignores confidence, stress, burnout, psychological safety, trust, and motivation. By the time these issues become visible, it is often too late to intervene. Most project failures come from poor communication, low engagement, stress, misalignment, and cultural issues. We measure everything in projects except the people driving them. Heart of Data is a real-time human performance intelligence system. It converts emotional and behavioral signals into measurable project data, helping leaders spot risks early, support teams sooner, and improve outcomes.
So, this is the lived system, a fully automated, human centered data pipeline we built that turns raw survey responses into real time insights, predictions, and interventions. The whole thing runs from a single Python script. It watches a folder for new survey files, reads and cleans the data automatically, even when the formats are varying slightly, and merges everything into one unified data set, then reshapes it into flat tables that feed both Power BI and this live dashboard you're looking at now. On top of that, we also compute a predictive score for each team. These scores aren't static, they are weighted across all four surveys with more emphasis on the most recent ones, so we can see how teams are evolving over time, not just when they stand at any single moment. We also run sentiment analysis on free text responses using a tool called VADA, short for Valence Aware Dictionary and Sentiment Reasoner. It is designed for short, informal text like survey comments. So, a response like this project is amazing, scores close to plus one, and the response like this feels stressful scores close to minus 1, and something like it's okay I guess sits near 0. So we blend that signal into the final prediction, so the numbers are grounded in how teams actually feel, not just how they rate themselves on a scale. Then, a rules based guidance engine checks each team against a set of behavioral conditions, things like cognitive load, psychological safety, leadership clarity, and AI confidence, and generates targeted, actionable interventions the moment risks appear. Finally, everything gets exported predictions, summaries, triad signals, guidance cards into CSVs, JSON, and the live HTML dashboard, which rebuilds itself every time the script runs. So, in one command, we go from raw human feedback to live decision intelligence, helping teams not just understand the data but act on it in real time.
How do we stop free text data being misused? Psychological safety is central to our design. Responses are anonymized, aggregated, with analysts focused on patterns and themes rather than individuals. The purpose is to support teams, not monitor people. Could we tell if teams manipulate the results? Our system focuses on trends over time, cross-checks multiple signals, and flags unusual spikes or inconsistencies. This makes sustained manipulation very difficult. What would we add to the survey? We would deepen insights by measuring psychological safety, team alignment, workload, motivation, blockers, and feedback loops. We would also include neurodiversity-related questions. As a neurodiverse team, we design the system to be inclusive and adaptable to different ways of working. Based on our model, the predicted winning team was Mission on Time, Team 6B. Heart of the data is designed to be ethical, reliable, and actionable. We protect privacy through anonymization, maintain integrity through trends analysis, and help organizations turn human experience into project intelligence. Thank you.